Welcome back on this channel, Bratan, and this is the guy. This is the guy who exactly told you about this dip, and the dip is not over yet, in my opinion. We will check here on the big picture, because on the big picture, in my opinion, it's showing us the dip is not over. Look at this. If we are watching here right now on the, not on the weekly, but on the daily, on the weekly, we have to watch on the weekly, and we just compare it with the previous dip, which was in the bull bear market 2000 and where I have to move, or I have to cut off myself quickly. You see here this one, the dip 2018. This was the bear market low. Then we topped out, and then we had another dip here. And what's interesting is we have here similarities. I explained already on one of my previous videos. We have here, we've been in the overbought area, the RSI, then we dipped down, and from here on the bull market, the real bull market started. So, and this is also exactly the disbelief phase. You see, we had first a run and then this disbelief phase. So it looks exactly like this one. You see here a massive pump, boom, and then this dip. So what's interesting is we have here the same. We are overbought. We heavily overbought. So this was the bear market low, the bottom. Then we've gone in the overbought area, but we not come down as low as 34 RSI. I mean, it's not, there's no guarantee that we will go as low as 34, the RSI, but it's slightly overbought. It's neutral actually, but I'm expecting here a little bit more dip, at least to the 39 RSI area, because this also where we have here some support coming in. I don't know even if this is true that this is a support line, but it looks like it's a support. You see here, there's a lot of resistance, and here it was as a support. Oh, actually it's crazy. Look how perfect this is. Oh shit, bro, I'm the king of drawing the lines. Look, you see here's support, here it's resistance, and here we broke the support. But I'm expecting here a little bit more, that we will see a little bit more dump. What speaks also for it is also, if we are watching here on the daily, on the big picture. Wait a minute, I'm checking here on the daily. It's probably better to check here. Oh shit, man, I have to delete this. So obviously this speaks for another dump, right? I mean, we saw also here when we dumped, we had some green dot, and then we saw another lower green dot. So right now we have here the first green dot, which speaks for a little bit where we could see some pump, as we had also here before. You see here this green dot appeared, then we saw here some pump happen. So right now we could see a little bit more pump, but this is not the real pump. So it's still a trap. It looks like still a trap. And let's check out on the daily, because on the daily, we see also on the daily here some similarities, because on the daily, wait a minute, before we are going on daily, I want to show you on the weekly also, because the similarities are crazy if we are checking the days. So here this was the low, and we needed approximately 65 weeks, because we are on a weekly candle, 65 weeks until we saw and again a pump, or the real pump. And right now let's check out, here was the bottom. This was at around, the bottom was here around at 15k or 16k, I can't remember exactly, but anyways, that doesn't matter. If we are checking out 35 weeks, 35, wait a minute, shit, what I'm watching here, wait a minute, not here, where, here till there, it was 65 bars, and as of 65 weeks. And if we are checking here, oh shit, we are gone. Oh shit, we have already 99 bars, so we have almost 100 weeks already a dump. Okay, then let's compare it here. 99. Oh, then we are here in this phase. We could be here in this phase. Shit, what the fuck? Here. Ah, you see? Oh, this is interesting. Wait a minute. Let's explore this. Oh shit, let's explore this a little bit more, because what's interesting, this was also the time when we broke all-time high, you see? Or we tried to break all-time high, we got rejected, and then we saw a dump. Oh shit, bro. Oh shit, damn. You see here? Oh shit, it's exactly the same. We tried to break it. I mean, we broke a little bit, but then we got rejected. Damn. Okay, let's analyze this. Okay, if we are, because this exactly, we should be here. Shit, but this looks completely different to my theory. Fuck. Fuck, what the fuck is this video now about? You see, because here we've been crazy overbought, but still saw after a pump, you see? Maybe you have to look on the daily. Okay, let's check out on the daily. Let's check out on the daily, and don't shout at me, bro. Don't shout at me. Okay, if we are here right now, wait a minute, where was it? We have to go again back. Shit. You see, I just discovered right now. So it was on the 7th December, 7th December approximately. So what was on the 7th December? Where is it? 7th December. Here we are. Okay, but what we saw here, let's check out. You see, we got reject, we saw dump, and we cooled down to 50. The lowest low on the daily was to 50. And then we saw this last last pump. Right now we caught also to 50. Oh shit. Wait a minute, let me go back. Where was, and then this green dot appeared, you see? This green dot appeared on the, what is this, market cipher B. This green dot appeared, and we have this golden cross happened. You see? We've came to 50 approximately, 43, no, I'm wrong here. But afterwards, what we saw here, wait a minute. Here, this exactly here. Green dot, 50. Oh, this was not me. And here, this golden cross right after appeared. So right now, let's check out here. Okay, almost the green dot will soon come in the next days. The RSI is exactly there, and the golden cross, we need the golden cross. Shit, bro. Woo. But I think, the thing is, okay, look, I explain you why today you heard me also farting, because a little bit I'm shitting in my pants of one reason. Because we have a lot of liquidity here at 34K. At 34K, okay, let me explain you everything. Why I'm a bit nervous. 34K, we have a lot of liquidity, crazy liquidity. And you know, SMC trading, smart money concept, they grab the liquidity. And we've been wrong with this dump, right? They grabbed the liquidity. And then I thought, okay, we could go as low as 34K. But then I thought, but this exactly the trap that we will not go as low as 34K. This is why everybody waiting, and then you're missing out, you know. But on the other hand, if we are watching on the big picture here, here, this huge picture chart, and we have here this support line, this historical, and this support line is, the crazy thing is, it's exactly here at 34K, you see? At 34, 35, no, wait a minute, here. So it's exactly at 34, around 34K. You see, this is why, but according to the RSI, it not looks, on the weekly, it looks like we should see another dump. But if we are considering the days, then we should right now, already in the next days, see a bounce from here. Fuck, I'm so lost, bro. Tell me, what do you think? But I think, still, wait. I have now my comeback. Like Backstreet Boys. Check out. The thing is, this is what we in Germany say. The thing is, we have a lot of liquidity still here down to at least 57K. If you're watching on 3-day, let me check on the 3-day. You see here, we have still here a lot of liquidity. 59K. We have here a lot of liquidity. We have the CME gap 54. Yeah, look at this, 59K. We have here a lot of liquidity still. So what we could see here, because look, okay, let's smart money trading. Let's do smart money concept trading again. So we have a lot of liquidity till here, 57K, 50. So the liquidity ending here at 54K. At 54K, we have the CME gap. So what we could see here, we had full moon or new moon. On new moon, we see dump. So 2 days ago, we had new moon. So we could see dump to 54K to closing the CME gap. We closing the CME gap, then everyone is shitting even more in their pants, because if we are checking here the coin market cap, we see we are in the fear area. You see, we are in the fear area, And this looks nice. But if we are going to 54K, we're going probably in the ultra fear area, which is nice. And then at 54K, everyone's screaming, we are going down to 33K, because at 33K, as I told you, there's the most of liquid, the highest liquidity is at 33K. So everyone is screaming, we will go to 33K, but exactly at around 54K, we will see here the bounce again. You checking what I'm saying? Fuck, I'm genius, bro. Make this as a clip on TikTok. You will see I'm right. It's same like I was right with this dump, and I was exactly right with Pepe. Look at this Pepe. Oh, this is so crazy. Pepe, I showed you here. There is a lot of liquidity at 0.855, and look, they perfectly grabbed the liquidity. Bro, this is so crazy. If you're just checking by liquidity, look at this, how crazy they grabbed the liquidity, this fuckers. That's crazy. Wait, look. It's small, Alter. Check out. What? Wait. We're checking again on the monthly. No, on the 3 month. Look how perfectly they grabbed the liquidity. You see here this wick? I told you here's the most of liquidity. Look, they perfectly grabbed the liquidity. So we could see a little bit more dump, maybe to grab here a little bit more liquidity, but this was the most of liquidity which they got. Okay, let's check on Binance. Maybe, oh, no, wait a minute. Pepe, why it's so slowly, blood? Wait a minute, let's check. Yeah, but, oh shit, look, they grabbed perfectly the liquidity. You see here this wick? Oh my god. I mean, they could grab all this of liquidity and we could go as low as here 0.6. This could still happen if Bitcoin sees 54K, but I think I don't know if I have the balls, because I'm still in my long position on Pepe with $150,000 in value. I put here margin that my liquidation price at 0.16, but maybe, but I don't know if I have the balls. I probably should waiting. I speak also another position which I entered. Wait, but we shouldn't see a dump below this level. Wait a minute, because the liquidity is over here at, let me check again. The liquidity is over here at, I mean, they have nothing to grab after approximately here 0.62. Let's say 0.62. They don't have anything to grab. So according to this, wait a minute, what the fuck is this? 0.62. So we shouldn't go lower as this 0.62. This is the worst case. So they could grab here a little bit of liquidity, but there's not much left liquidity. So yeah, look how perfect, that's crazy. So maybe I could move my liquidation prices right now here at 1.6 approximately, here 1.62, here approximately. This is my liquidation price. So maybe I could my liquidation price move to 2.4. Then I could add to my position, you know. Then I could add a little bit to my position, because Pepe will be the meme coin #1 in my opinion this bull run. And you know, I could be horribly wrong, because I'm most of the time wrong. But from here already it's 90%. That's crazy. So maybe I should add to my position right now. But maybe I wait until we see here this dump to 6.06. Then it's 180 to the all-time high. Okay, another long which I entered is on FET, a 5x long at $1.37. As I told you, it was triggered. Right now I'm $66 in a loss, and it was perfectly triggered. I think we could go still to $1.29, as this is the main support line here. What, I'm on algorithmic? Yes, okay. No, we already touched this line. So if we are breaking this line, then we could go to $1.40, because there's a lot of liquidity here at $1.40. Oh, where I moved myself. Shit. Wait a minute. I have to come back. Oh no, bro. Shit. Can I come back here? Yeah. Here. A lot of liquidity is at $1.02. So they could grab the liquidity, and 70 cents. There's a lot of liquidity. I don't think that we will go as low as 70 cents, but who knows? But we could go here definitely to $1.40. And by the way, if we are checking here, we see we are getting in a very nice zone. We have a bullish divergence, so probably maybe they will not grab the liquidity. We have a lot of here You see we have a bullish divergence, a bullish version here. So this looks very nice. But Pepe looks as we should see a little bit more dump. You see, because we still have this red dot here. And the RSI is neutral right now, and we have here death cross. So I think we could still see a little bit more dump here. We still could see a little bit more dump here, maybe, as I said, to as low as 60, 06. And another trade which I want, so I want to add to my, again, to be clear, I want to add to my Pepe position, I want to add to my FET position, and I want to open another long, which is on WIF, because WIF looks beautiful, and they have a lot of liquidity here at 160, so I'm pretty sure they will go down to 166 here, and we also here WIF has a red dot. We are going into death cross, so it's still overbought. I'm expecting here WIF to dump to $1.60 approximately, because there's a lot of liquidity, or we could go as $1.20, because there's the next liquidity which I watched before here, which I showed you. So if I would enter here to all-time high, it's almost 200%. So this could be a very nice trade. This is what I'm doing here. And by the way, bratans, yesterday I missed the live trading. I didn't miss because I decided to stay with my kid. He has a little bit flu or cold. Right now it's better. Everything is fine. So thank you that you understand this. But let's make on Monday this live trading. Okay, on Monday we will do live trading. If you want, you can make a demo account on Bybit, and you can trade with me live here, but do please a demo trade. Here are demo trades. By the way, let me check. I did a demo trade. You remember I jumped into a demo Bitcoin trade. 1.2 million. It's not real money. It's so chill, bro. 1.2 million. It was on 25x, so it's crazy. Please never do this. With demo trade you can do 100x even. It would be $140,000 in profit still, and the liquidation would be at 53, but maybe I will get liquidated. Let's see. This is a demo trade you can open on Bybit if you want. Link is down below, but don't use real trading, please, because if you do real trading, your trades will look like this. Pepe 12,000 in loss, GME 11,000 in loss. I will keep this open. I will keep GME also still open. So this is what I'm thinking about. And if we are seeing also here Bitcoin on the 4-hourly, we see right now, it looks like a perfect dump. You see, it looks so beautifully dumping. The price tag still from the descending broad new edge is still also at 54k. So, bro, okay, my statement here, I'm gay. No, my statement here, 54k is the price target, as it's the price target of the ascending broad new wedge at 54k. This is the last liquidity which we have. The next big will be 33k. So from the psychology, SMC, smart money concept, they will liquidate to 54k. They will grab this little bit money so they can enjoy the 5-star hotels, but then everyone will shit in the pants. We are going into the fear and greed index. We'll go on ultimate fear. After this, everyone will call, we will go to 33k, but this will be the exactly bounce to the 100k, and everyone will miss out on these gains. Whoa! Woo! Bratan, this was very good very good analyzing. And if we are seeing also 4-hourly, we have here a bullish, how it called, golden cross. So we could see here pump again to 64k to liquidate everyone at 64k. Let me check here at 64k. Do we have here liquidity at 64k? Oh my god, I think I'm so genius, bro. Oh my god, look, 63. We have so much liquidity. Yes. So now we will see pump to 63k approximately. We will see here pump to 63k. This will be here approximately to 63, maybe 64, but 63 approximately. So 3.5% pump. And then we are getting here at somewhere at this area rejected, or this area at Fibonacci 0618, and then we see another dump to here this 54k to our price target, and afterwards boom to the upside. Okay, did you get it? Here, draw it, please make screenshots so you know and understand what I explained to you here, because this is how it will work out. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Mwah.